Good morning. So I'm just heading to work. It is the 6th, I believe. That's the day that I opened my advent calendar, regardless. Oh, my battery's only on 6%, I didn't realise. Yeah, so I'm just heading to work now. I thought it would have been colder today, but it's actually not that bad. I've got my new jumper on that I got from Primark. It will be in an upcoming Primark haul. Once I get around to filming. I won't be able to film tonight because I'm going to go to Blake's. So I might film tomorrow night when I get in from work, because I have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, just heading to work now. I have a Boohoo order coming today. I ordered a dress. Oh gosh, she sighed. I ordered a dress because I'm going out on Friday. It's our work night out. Our work night out. And we're doing like cocktails and like then seeing where the night takes us. But it'll probably be like a full-blown night out because why not? So yeah, I've ordered a dress, and if you followed me on Instagram or Snapchat, I think that was probably the two things. I think I put it on Twitter as well actually. If when I went to the Northern Blog Awards, then you would have saw the like flowery dress that I wore for it. And it was kind of like a boob tube, peplum kind of style dress. I've never known to be so much traffic on this little road. It was like a boob tube, peplum kind of dress. It's not the blue dress if you're thinking of when I've put a picture on of me wearing that. It's like a flowery one. So I've ordered the exact same one, but it's just all red, so I feel like it's very Christmassy and very appropriate for our Christmas night out. So that's meant to come today. I have ordered a size 8. So we shall see how that goes. The one that I had before was a size 8, and also the blue one, the light blue one that I ordered, that was also a size 8 as well, because a size 10 was too big on me. And I wouldn't really count myself, especially in a tight dress, I would not count myself as a size 8. I'm definitely like a size 10. So just shows, doesn't it, like how much like the websites and dress and material and stuff can vary. I'm gonna wait for that to come, and then tonight I'm gonna have to go home, upload my new video, because I tried to upload it this morning, the one that I was telling you about last night, well in my last vlog, whenever you watched my last vlog. I was saying about it taking an hour and a half to upload, so I did compress the video down, like encode the media down, and then the upload time didn't really go down all that much, maybe by like half an hour. Well, not even that to begin with. At the beginning of this morning it was still like saying an hour and a half, so then I cancelled it, tried uploading it again, and then it would start counting down from like a minute and 15. I mean an hour and 15 minutes. I wish it was a minute and 15 seconds, imagine that. So yeah, because of that it wouldn't have uploaded in time for me to get to work. It still had, it was like 20 to 9 and it still had 36 minutes left, and obviously I have to be at work for 9, so I was like, I'm gonna have to just cancel the video and cancel the upload and just upload it when I get home tonight after work. So I did want to put it up whilst I was at work today for you to watch it in case any of you are off work or any of you are off school or anything like that, and then at least I know it's ready for you. But unfortunately it just didn't go out that way, so yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry. So yeah, that's just unfortunately how it goes when it comes to the YouTube world, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. So yeah, I'll speak to you later on tonight, and I'm going to put my phone on charge. I'll speak to you later on. I'm going to put my camera on charge because I'm like 2% now and it's like flashing at me. So Beth and I were very lucky to be invited to go to Lane7 to try out their new bowling alley before it opened up to the general public. So we were actually the first bloggers to arrive there. So we were the first people, obviously aside from the staff members, who actually got to try out the bowling alley and the cocktails, etc. And what I really like about it is more of like the sophisticated atmosphere to it. Obviously we haven't seen what it's like when it was open and there was more people in there, but it was really nice that it was more sophisticated. You could have cocktails and then go on your night out. As you could see from the footage, it is next to Turtle Bay, so obviously you could go there for food and then go into the bowling alley afterwards and have some cocktails and then go on your night out if you wanted to make a full night of it. So yeah, we took along our friend Nicola, had some cocktails and then went on our staff night out. I thought I'd put this footage in here for you. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I know I've been uploading a lot of vlogs and I am really sorry for this, but there was only 2 more vlogs for me to upload and then I'll get back to uploading a mixture of videos. I have got a huge PR unboxing video coming your way, and I mean like huge. I'm going to have to split it into 2 videos because it's going to be that big, but it's going to be amazing, absolutely amazing. So don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see that and see what stuff have been sent to me to try out for you guys. And yeah, I just love yous. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I upload on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you one of them days. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.